I used the straight nozzle from an inexpensive cake and cookie decorating kit I found at the dollar store. A jeweler's loop. These can be found online for $1 or $2. And a cell phone that has video capabilities and a bright white LED flash. And finally some thin plastic, this from a sandwich container lid to mount it all to the phone. The inside of the nozzle should be painted flat black to cut down on internal reflections. Some of the decorating kit parts can be reused. Here I'm tapping out the lens gently to be used later. And finally, this part can be modified to retain the nozzle. Carefully take a sharp knife and cut the end of it off. The cutoff part must be slightly bigger than the inside of the loop. Then you drop the nozzle in. Remove lens. And finally snug it all down with the retaining ring. A piece of plastic about the size of the cell phone must be cut out. A hole slightly smaller than the largest part of the loop should be cut in the plastic. Center the camera over the loop and strap it down with some elastic bands. And your otoscope is complete. I downloaded a free app from Google Play Store called FL5. This has camera and video capabilities, the ability to turn the flash on full time, and some pretty good zoom. Best part is, you can touch the screen to focus